Okay, so in this video I will unbox a sleep cover for the new Kobo Clara 2E that I have here, as you can see here. The Kobo Clara 2E has an excellent size. I really love the smaller size than my Kobo Libra H2O has. As you can see, the Kobo Libra H2O has a very strange aspect ratio. And I don't like the huge side here with the buttons and so on. It's so awkward to hold this ebook reader for me. I want a more portable size. So I bought the Kobo Clara 2E. So here is a sleep cover for that ebook reader. So just do an unboxing first and then try it on my ebook reader to see. So now I will do an opening of this package. It cannot be so much in this package, is my guess, more than the sleep cover itself. Here we can see a guide how you can use the sleep cover as a stand. You can do that on the Kobo Libra H2O sleep cover too. So you can do that on the smaller Kobo Clara 2E sleep cover too. A really nice unboxing, don't you think? And here we have the sleep cover itself. That's what's in the box. Nothing else. Feels exactly the same as the quality of the Kobo Libra H2O sleep cover. Exactly the same actually. Maybe a bit more sturdier here. But anyway, let's try it on. Like so. So this is how it looks with the sleep cover on. It feels exactly as a book actually. I really love this aspect ratio of the ebook reader. I love the size of this one, as I said. As you can see, it looks exactly as a book now. I love that. So let's see if the sleep cover works. Yes, as you saw, it has the cover of the book I'm reading. So that's great. Let's see how we can do it as a stand. Like so. Works great. I love that. And you can hold it like this if you want. And you can hold it like a book if you want to read it like this. That's great. And the magnet holds the cover in place when you have it like this. Yes. So that's nice. If we compare that to the H2O Libra, as you can see, it's not as a book, it's more squared. I don't like that, but it's not as thick in that end, but in that end it is a bit thicker even, as you can see here. I really love the size of the Kobo 2E, Kobo Clara 2E. So that's it for this video. I will do more videos about the Kobo Clara 2E, how much I like it, and a review of it and all the features that I like and don't like and everything else later on. Okay, bye.